Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by updating firmware and confirming baseline battery behavior so you know what to compare. First, fully charge the unit, then run a normal session to record runtime. This gives you objective data. Once done, remove any third-party docks, cases, or Bluetooth controllers because they can draw parasitic current and mask the issue. Make sure to also disable wireless features temporarily so you isolate whether software or hardware is responsible. You now recalibrate and tune power settings to recover lost capacity and reduce waste. Perform a full charge, discharge to automatic shutdown, then charge to 100% to let the battery gauge relearn. After that, lower brightness and enable airplane mode when appropriate, and set auto sleep to 5 minutes to cut idle drain. Also, close background apps and stop auto updates since processes running unseen often consume the most power. Once adjusted, you finish with hardware verification and escalation steps so you can resolve persistent issues. Inspect and gently clean the USB-C port, then test charging with an official or equivalent 39W charger and a known good cable to rule out accessories. If poor life remains, request a battery replacement or RMA when under warranty. Internal cells degrade over cycles. If you need to troubleshoot first, boot in safe mode and log voltages. Repeated weak charge cycles usually indicate physical battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.